Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Kroger account and remove your personal information from their system, follow these simple steps to complete the account deletion process. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to Kroger.com. Sign into your Kroger account using your email address and password or your Kroger Plus card number. Step 2. Click on your account name or icon in the top right corner of the page. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account options. Step 3. Scroll through your account settings looking for privacy settings or account management options. Review the available account management features. Step 4. Since Kroger doesn't provide a direct delete account button, you'll need to contact customer service. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Contact Us or Help. Step 5. Choose your preferred contact method, such as live chat, phone, or email. When connected with a customer service representative, clearly state that you want to permanently delete your account. Step 6. Provide any verification information requested, such as your name, email address, plus card number, and reason for deletion to confirm your identity and process your request. Step 7. After submitting your deletion request, Kroger will process it within a few business days. You should receive a confirmation email once your account has been permanently deleted. Keep this email for your records and note that you won't be able to recover your account or fuel points after deletion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.